Okay, as I start the recording, I repeat this thing, that this equation will be given, this function will be given, and the graph of this function will also be given here in the red color. And he asked to solve this equation. And this time he is asking to solve this equation with the help of graph. So now what we are going to do? We will compare this function and this equation. If we will compare, then we will find one of the thing, that this part, x square minus 2x minus 7, will be equal to this part. Both are exactly same. And this part, if I'll say that this part is equal to what? This part is equal to y. It means in place of all this thing, we can write y, isn't it? So it will become y is equal to 0. I repeat, what was the thing? In the function, in the given function, this equation was given, x square minus 2x minus 7. And this equation is a part of that part, x square minus 2x minus 7. Okay, so now you will do what? This complete thing is equals to y. So we will replace this part with y. So what you get? Y is equal to 0. Is this one clear? First of all, that what I did?
Yes.
From everyone. Yes, Awais?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Then, so now what the new equation you get? Y is equal to 0. You will draw this line, y is equal to 0 in your graph. Where is this line? Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means what? Y is equal to 0 means x-axis, isn't it? Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. And which one? Okay, I took this yellow color, it will be clear. I will draw this line here. This is what? This is the line. Y is equals
So
to
one
0.
question.
Yes, please.
Here the oh wait, never mind.
Right? So we
Yeah,
will
yeah.
draw this line, y is equal to 0. Now we will check where this line is going to cut our given graph. It is cutting at this point and at that point, at these 2 points. So these 2 points are the solution or answer of this equation. Here he mentioned, you should check by yourself. Here he mentioned that these points are x is equal to minus 1.8 and x is equals to 3.8. It means this point will be 3.8 and this point is minus 1.8. So these two are the answers. So now you can see that without any quadratic equation, without any completing the square formula, without any factorization, we have solved this quadratic equation with the help of just a graph. Okay, now that thing was very much easy. Only the same thing was present and we replace it. Now look at the second one. Here in this case, what will happen? Okay, I write this one here. X square minus 2x minus 7 is equals to 3. Again, it is not so hard. Here, this thing is what? Is exactly same thing. In further question, we will find when it is not same. So this thing is equal to what? This thing is equal to y. Y is equals to 3. Now, this time you have to draw this equation. Y is equal to 3 in your graph. So let's draw this line. This one is 2, this one is 4. In between this, y is equal to 3. So this one is that dotted line you are asking, Abdullah. We draw this complete line. We will not stop here. So this point Q and this point P is the solution of part B. You can drop down this and then you can check what is the value here. And from here also, as I am writing on the screen, it is difficult for me to identify these points. But when you have the physical book, easily you can check by placing the scale over there. So you will find exactly what point is this and what point is this. So these two will be the answer. If you'll check with the book is telling that x is equal to minus 2.3 and x is equal to 4.3 are the answers. These points are. Okay. Yes, any question related with this? All of you. That how we are finding the solutions. Yes, please.
No questions.
No question. What about
Yes.
Rehan, Zain, Abdullah, Alisha?
No, sir.
No
No,
question.
sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Now we are okay. Thank you. Now we are the case. We have the case in which we don't have the equation exactly like this. X square minus 2x is equal to 1. We have x square minus 2x, or if I bring 1 here, it will be okay. Leave it here, is equals to 1. But we have the equation what? X square y is equals to this equation we have. If I want to replace, I should have x square minus 2x minus 7 minus 2x minus 7. I must have this equation. But in this part, we don't have this equation x square minus 2x minus 7. Instead, we have x square minus 2x is equal to 1. So how I will make this part? How I will make this thing? What is the missing thing here? Yes, Aves, what is the
It has
missing
a,
thing here?
Mm,
Yes, Aves, can you tell me what is the missing thing here?
um, not sure.
second, sir.
Okay, Zen, can you tell?
Is it the one?
Here you have 1 at this side. What is the missing thing? At this side, comparative to this
2x.
one. 2x is here, minus 2x is here, minus 2x is here.
Yes, sir.
So I'm asking about the missing thing. Yes, Rehan,
Minus 7.
minus 7 is missing. So you have to bring minus 7 here. So what
Yes,
I will do, I will write minus 7 by my side, minus 7. But when I will do something at one side, I have to do the same thing on the other side also. After putting this minus 7, it will become exactly same, isn't it? So now I can replace this thing is as y, because this thing exactly same, x square minus 2x minus 7 minus 7, and this thing is equal to y, so I can write it y here. And on the other side you have 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 will be minus 6. Okay, so now this time I will draw the line y is equal to minus 6 on the graph paper. And where this line cuts the graph, this line cuts the graph at these 2 points. Now we will check with these 2 points. With the help of scale, you will draw a line here. With the help of scale, you will draw a line here. So these 2 are the answers of part C. Now in this one, part C, please ask any of the question if you have. In this question, what was the thing? Minus 7 was missing. So I add minus 7 both sides to make them equals to the function which is given, equals to y. So I put minus 7 on both sides. So here it will become the same thing as I required. When this thing becomes same, I replace it with y. And this on the other side, when I perform the calculation, I got minus 6. So here I draw the line, x is equal to minus 6, and I got the solution. Yes. Understand this one or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Zain, Alisha, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to draw the exercise question. In this exercise question, you should keep the book with you. Open this book, no need to draw this curve. Only you must have pencil and scale with you to draw, right? Now, in first question, you can say y is equals to, this thing is given, y is equal to x square minus x minus 2. So what will be the equation A, Abdullah? When I replace it with y, what will be the equation? Yes, Abdullah. Equation is x square minus x minus
y
2
will
is
be
equal
0.
to 0. Yes, y is equal to 0. What happened with Abdullah? Abdullah, you didn't give the answer. Y is equal to 0 line you have to draw. And when I will draw the line y is equal to 0, what's the x value I will get? When I draw, I don't have a scale on the screen, but you have the book. You can draw a better line than me. So you will find 2 points, 1 and 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 1 and x is equals to 2. These 2 points, I got it as the cross section. So these two are the answers of part A. Yes, always you don't have book basically. So you can see from here. Clear?
Yeah. If you could just send me a picture of the book.
Okay, I'll send. Now, part B. Yes, then what will be the equation for part B?
Sir,
In part B, we have this equation. Here I write x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 6. This is the equation.
yes, sir.
What it will be when I replace it with y?
Sir is equal to 6.
Yes, because this complete thing at the above given one, you can say this complete thing is equal to y. So
6.
simply you will
Y
just
is
put
6.
y is equal to 6. Draw this line y is equal to 6 and tell me the answer. All those who have the book, here it is 6. So here you have to draw the line. I am not going to draw. You guys will draw and tell me the answer. Yes, hurry up. X is equal to and x is equal to what? Two values of x you are having. When you extend this complete line, always you have to draw full length line, okay?
Sir, x is 3.4.
Okay, he's saying x is 3.4 and the other x and the other one is
2.4. Minus 2.4.
Minus 2.4.
minus 2.4. Yes, all others are agree with him and her as well. That when you
Yes, sir.
drop down this point, okay, it will be like here, and when you drop down this point from here, you will get this answer. Now for part C, Alicia, what will be the equation? Here it is, we have x square minus x is equals to 6. Now we don't have exact equation, something is missing.
Minus 2.
So you will write minus 2 here, minus 2 there.
Mm-hmm.
And
Y is
after that,
equal to 4. Y is equal to 4.
yes, very good. This thing will be equals to y, so it will be y is equal to 4. It means this time you have to draw the line y is equals to 4. So draw the line y is equals to 4 here like this.
X is 2 and 3. Minus 2 and 3.
Sure. Okay, she is saying the value of x is minus 2 and x is equals to 3. Acknowledge this answer if everyone is
Yes, sir.
agree.
Same.
Same.
Sir, same.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So see, like this, we can find the equation, and with the help of this equation, we will draw on the piece of a graph paper, and then after we will identify that what are the points of x as a solution. Now here, this one is a part of that graphical solution in which as the first part, he will tell you to draw the graph. Maybe in your worksheet, this type of questions be there. Whenever I'll see this worksheet, then I will tell you, identify that which one is this. And Rehan, I told you that you can share this worksheet with me, so I will solve it here. Here in this one,
Yes, sir. I will share with you.
okay, I will wait for this. In question number 2, first of all, what's the thing he's saying? Construct a table. You have to draw the table, that old thing what we are doing from 18.1. This one is the equation for which we have to make the table, and values will be from -3 till 2. It means roughly, I tell you, it will be look like this. This is the value of x, this one is value of y. It is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These value will be there. One by one, you will put this value in this equation and then find the value, complete the table. And as a second part, what you have to do, you have to plot the points. It means you have to make the curve. What type of curve it will be? Sad face or smile face? Always. This curve will be sad
It
face
would
or
be
smile face?
sad face.
Sad face, because you can see x square is negative value. That's why it will be a sad face. So this sad face you have to draw. And then after, we will start to solve. Use your graph to solve this equation. So for this equation, what does the thing have to do? Exactly same. You can say -x square minus x square minus x plus 1 plus 1. So it will be y is equal to 0. Simply you will draw this equation. Y is equal to 0. You will find the answer. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay.
Should I solve A, B,
I'm
and
not
C?
I'm not going to give you to do it right now because it is time taking question. You can do it later on. I will give the question from the other book, the older book. Over there, the equation solution was there. But my aim is to that you have understand this thing, how you have to do this part 2. You have to do this part 2 as HW. Okay. Over there, in question number 5 also, you have to do the same thing. Now I am going to share the question in which you just have to identify the equation. Okay. Wait for this.